Hare Krishna students. So today we will start the next chapter, the last chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Now you all have heard what is fiber and what is synthetic fiber, right? So fibers, you know what it is, and it's mainly natural and synthetic. Synthetic means man-made and natural fibers. So here in this chapter we will study about synthetic fiber. Now before that, what is a fiber? Fiber is nothing but it is a thin thread-like strand from which the clothes are made. That is called the fiber. And from fiber to fabric. Fabric means here cloth. And how is this cloth made from the fiber? So fiber is what? It's a thread-like strand from which the clothes are made. Now this clothes, what is made is called the fabric. And fabric is actually made by knitting or weaving the threads into yarn. Okay. So basically the clothes which we wear, this all are actually made up of fabrics, and the fabrics are obtained from the fibers, and these fibers are maybe the fibers are natural or artificial. Okay, so artificial fibers are known as the synthetic fibers, right? Now the fibers can be obtained from plants and animals. Those are called the natural fibers. Like from plants you obtain cotton, flax, jute, and wool and silk are animal fibers. Then you have the synthetic fibers. So the synthetic fibers, they are made by the human beings. Now to the natural fibers, when chemicals are added, that is what we call synthetic fibers. Now examples like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, these all are synthetic fibers. Okay, so here we will come to another term, that is polymer. Now what is actually a polymer? Polymer, it's a big molecule which is formed by combination of smaller molecules. So many smaller molecules, they are combined to form big molecules, and this big molecule is what we call the polymer. Now the smaller molecules we join together to form a polymer are called the monomers. Okay, smaller molecules, these smaller molecules are nothing, they are called as the monomers, and these monomers, they combine or they form combine to make a polymer. All the polymers, the polymer which is made, it may be of same compound or it can be of two different compounds. Okay, polymer. Now polymer, the word polymer comes from poly. Poly means many. So polymer is made of many small repeating units called polymers. Now polymers again are of two types. One is the natural, other one is the synthetic polymer. Now cotton, wool and silk are the natural polymers, and like for example, cotton fiber is made of natural polymer called cellulose. Cellulose, it is a polymer which is made up of large number of glucose, means many glucose. Glucose, we know it is a simple sugar, and when simple sugar combines, they form a complex sugar that is called the cellulose. Okay, so many of the glucose when they combine, and also the walls of the plants are also made up of cellulose. Now like wood contains, you know what is a wood? Yes, all of you know what is a wood. So wood contains a large amount of cellulose polymer. This polymer occur in nature also. Okay, like nylon, polyester, acrylic, polythene, and polyvinyl chloride, bakelite, etc. These are the synthetic polymers or man-made polymers. Okay, now for example, like nylon. Nylon fiber is made up of nylon polymer, in which two different types of molecules are combined to form the chain. Now synthetic means which is made by humans in industries. Synthetic fibers, see the man-made fibers which is produced from chemical substance, they are called the synthetic fiber, and they are made by a process called polymerization, that is forming a long chain of simple molecules. And there are different types of synthetic fibers or man-made fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Now The synthetic fibers, they are prepared by different process, that is by using different chemicals of petroleum, etc. They are called the petrochemicals. Um so we'll start with the rayon. Now rayon is made of it is actually rayon is it is considered as the artificial silk. Okay, rayon is artificial silk, and this is a man-made fiber which is prepared from natural raw material by chemical treatment. As I told you, all the natural all the synthetic fibers are made from, they are obtained from natural fibers, and this natural fiber, when they are mixed with the chemical, they become the synthetic ones. Okay, so the cellulose which is required for making rayon is obtained from the wood pulp. Okay, so rayon is made with wood pulp. Now what is wood pulp made up of? What does it contain? Cellulose. So wood pulp, here what happens, it is dissolved in some alkaline solution to form viscose. That is, this viscose is nothing but sticky liquid, and this viscose is then forced to pass through tiny holes of metal cylinder into sulfuric acid solution. Thus a silk like thread is formed. And this, since rayon is made from naturally occurring polymer, that is cellulose, so rayon is neither fully synthetic nor fully fiber. Rayon is different from truly synthetic fiber because it is obtained from natural material, that is wood pulp. Now rayon is also called artificial silk. Okay, and comparatively, since it is called the artificial silk, so it is definitely cheaper than the natural silk, and it is used to make a variety of clothes. Like it is used in textile industry for making saris, dresses, socks, etc. Then rayon, when mixed with cotton, it is used for making bedsheet curtains, blankets. Then rayon, when mixed with wool, it forms the carpet. Also rayon is used for making surgical dressings and bandages, and also it is used in tire industry for making tire cord.